This model integrates an intelligent monitoring module based on the foundational version. It features real-time temperature monitoring, location tracking, remote alarms, data upload, and other functions. Blood storage module, used for placing blood. The metal basket has good thermal conductivity to ensure more stable and uniform temperature inside the chamber. Temperature internal circulation module neutralizes the temperature difference between the top and bottom, ensures uniform temperature distribution for items within the blood storage module. Plasma transport cold chain box with an optional intelligent monitoring module. Featuring circumferential curved guide channels. It guides the cold air from the top downward to the bottom of the chamber along the guide channels to maintain a more stable and uniform temperature inside the chamber. Stackable with anti-slip design. Thank you for your attention.